Hello and welcome. First, I want to apologize for using the computer-generated voiceover. English is not my first language, and my heavy accent would be much worse than this nicely generated voice. After getting stuck on icy patches a few weeks back, I decided to try the cheap screw-in tire studs. Here is the video from Stud Install if you want to watch the installation process. The link to the video is in the description. After installing the tire studs, I went to the same trail for testing. Unfortunately, the riding conditions changed quite a bit, and I couldn't directly compare riding with or without the tire studs. There was much more snow this time than before, and no icy potholes that I stuck on before. I found some frozen lake and tested the studs on ice. Due to warm conditions in the last few days, I was on the lake only for a brief moment, trying not to break through the ice. The video alone does not give you the proper judgment, but the grip on the ice was very good. Even when I tried to brake hard and drift, the machine was very stable and controllable. The overall handling experience was very good. I felt confident either on pure ice or hard compacted snow. I felt much more in control while riding the trails in these winter conditions. The quality of the studs might not be the best, but if you avoid riding on hard surfaces like tarmac or concrete, the studs should last for some time. I am happy with my decision to buy the studs and can recommend the studs for off-road driving. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.